Hey everybody, it's Michael Colon with Travels with Michael, and I just want to start off by saying happy 2023 to everybody. Also, happy Lunar New Year. It's the year of the rabbit. I was born in the year of the rabbit, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm doing this month's unboxing of Bespoke Post. So it's not travel related. I try to get stuff that's usually travel related or things that I can use for traveling or anything like that. But this month's box is called Cask, and I got it because I have a friend who has one that's similar, and he loves it, and I used it with him, and I loved it. So I thought I would try it, and I thought it might be a fun gift to have to start off the new year with. Also, real quick, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's reached out to me. My mother passed away a couple weeks ago, and so you all have given me such kind words, and I cannot really tell you how truly thankful I am for that. So thank you so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing. I'm organizing stuff here. Okay, so here's our box this month. Kind of large. Also, I wanted to take some videos from last month's unboxing when I did the it was the little box, the little s'mores kit, and I used it at this cabin in Flagstaff with my friends, but it was very, very, very windy. It worked great, but it was windy, and so the fire would not stay lit, and we didn't want to burn anything down. So, alas, I have no video to show of that, but we did use it to the best we could, and I will have to do another video in the future when I go. It's still winter here, so that's great, so there'll be time. In the meantime, we'll undo this one. So again, it's called Cask. And I like it. It says, oh, curated by Bespoke Post. So we'll go ahead and undo it here. And this says foolproof booze, or a little sticker. And this one says private reserve. This basically is a, oh my God, this is adorable. So let me take it out here. So it's basically like this little barrel. It's gonna be hard to see, so I won't do it. But you make your own alcohol at home. I have to see what kind it is. I don't remember. So here's, let's see, there's a bottle here. So undo this. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Just a nice bottle with a cap on it. Make sure we took everything out of here. We took everything out. Okay, so nothing left in the box. The box is empty. Now we will undo. Let's do the barrel first. This is the fun part. So it's supposed to give you directions on how to mix everything, and then you set it in here for maybe a couple of weeks, and then you have your own homemade alcohol. But look how cute this is. I gotta find room for it in my house here. So let's undo this. This is kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, I really like doing these unboxings. They're fun. I hope you get a kick out of them. I hope you enjoy. I know my boxes are very specific because I do traveling, but I try to do things that are geared towards either hiking or traveling, or things that you might want to do on adventure, either with like day hiking or overnight trips. So that's what I try to focus on. This is the only one that's not focused on any of that, but come on. How cute is this? Such a great way to start the year. So there's a hole right here. There's a hole right here. I don't know how to use it yet. Oh, there's also a little hole right there. So I think there might be a spigot. Oh yeah. Let's open this next. Why not? So, this is really good. Remember to hold it up so you guys can see. Okay, let's see. A little spigot, which I'm assuming probably goes in one of these. Maybe like that? I don't know. That's what directions are for. I'll read the directions. And this little guy, that must be the stopper for the top. That's what I'm thinking. And then you got this little thing on which it sets on. So voila, get your own cask. So It says, the charred American oak mini barrel. So I will go ahead and read this and get everything started, and I will have to do a follow-up video on how well this alcohol comes out. I got to find out what I need first, but yeah. All right, so this is this month's box, January 2023. It's called Cask by Bespoke Post. And thank you so much for watching my video and, you know, supporting me throughout 2022. And I look forward to hanging out with you more in 2023. So again, this is Michael Colon with Travels with Michael, and I look forward to seeing you on your next adventure.